Hi there, students. A rugrat, or rugrats in the plural. Okay, a rugrat is a small child, a toddler, typically one that's still crawling. Yeah, this originally was an American phrase. Yeah, American and Canadian, but since the birth of the animated TV series Rugrats, I'm certain you can use this phrase in the UK without any problem and everybody's going to understand you. Okay, so yeah, a rugrat, a child. How are your rugrats doing? Yeah, I've spent all day looking after the rugrats. Um, I've put everything out of their reach so the rugrats can run around and jump up and down as much as they want, and it's not going to be any problem. Yeah, this is a slang informal phrase. It's humorous as well. Yeah, a rugrat, a child not old enough to go to school. Yeah, a child that's not yet walking properly. Maybe they can walk a little bit, but not very well. Okay, so a rugrat. How are your rugrats doing? Yeah, I believe you've got another rugrat on the way. Congratulations. I think maybe it's a little bit derogatory, but I think more of a joke. Um, so as to formality, this is an informal word. I'd probably give it 3 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, I wouldn't use it in something semi-formal or formal. Yeah, toddler maybe in a semi-formal conversation. Young child, children, something like that. And then as to origin, okay, well, a rat crawls across your rug. A rug is a small carpet. Okay, so yeah, the little kids crawling across your carpet. I guess the derogatory bits in the word rat, but I don't think anybody's going to take offence by you calling their kids rugrats. Yeah. So babysitting a couple of rugrats is really quite easy. So a rugrat, an infant, a toddler, something like that. Yeah, what a cute little rugrat that is. Okay, so rugrat, easy phrase to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A rugrat.